Hello lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to share my honest review, or I'm going to share with you guys one of the best lightening soap I've come across. In fact, this soap, anytime I want to pronounce the name, I find it so hard to pronounce the name, but I will try my best to mention the name out to you guys. This soap is super dope. This soap is very good for glowing the skin, for bringing out your natural glow, for lightening the skin, and also clearing spots on the skin. Lovers, I present to you Tachadianne. This is how the soap is, Tachadianne. I came across this soap through a very good friend of mine, and this young lady has been a sister. And in fact, I wish in my next world I will have this beautiful young lady again in my life. I will be sharing a testimony about her very soon. So she introduced Tachadianne lightening soap to me. So I did a research about this soap, and I noticed that it's one of the best lightening soap I have ever come across. This soap, it treats so many problems on the skin, and it glows the skin. It clears dark armpits, it clears dark inner thigh, it clears dark spots and dark knuckles as well. Lovers, my name is Edem. Welcome to Latini Skincare. This is a skincare channel where we always share our reviews, our testimony, our tips, and also we direct you guys on how to use skincare product. So if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime we drop or we share a video on this channel, you would be able to receive a notification from us. Okay, and if you are a return subscriber, I'm so happy you've come back again. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you for the support. I really appreciate you for the love. God bless you so much. And thank you once again so much. So let's divert into the topic of today. I have in my hand here Tachadianne, and this is how the soap looks like. This soap is not a common soap. So I want to unbox it from the box for us to see how it is. First of all, this is how it is. It's made with vitamin C, turmeric, glutathione, lutein, and also other natural ingredients. So I've just taken it out from the box, and this is how it is. This is how the soap is. It's in an orange color. It smells nice. It has that kind of lightening, glutathione, turmeric flavor in it. This is how this soap is, and I have used this soap consistently more than 3 months. Yes, actually, when she introduced the soap to me, I decided to try it myself. And the first week when I used this soap, in fact, I felt in love with the soap. I love the soap so much that it made my skin very smooth. It exfoliates the skin. It removes the dead skin cells on my skin. It brought out my natural glow. In fact, currently, I'm still using it and I am loving the glow. Okay, it's very good for people who want to lighten their skin. It's very good for people who want to be extra fairer. It's very good for people who want to glow their skin. It clears dark knuckles, it clears dark armpit, it clears dark inner thigh. It makes the skin very smooth. One thing I've noticed about this soap is that it lathers a lot. Trust me, when you use small in your sponge, it will lather a lot on the skin. Okay, and also it makes the skin very smooth. Okay, I have not noticed any kind of side effects on this soap since I started using it. I have been receiving reviews from people. Hey Eddie, your skin is glowing. Hey Eddie, what are you using? Hey Eddie, will you recommend your products to me? I really want to try what you are using. But then I normally uses it morning and evening, and sometimes when I'm free I add water to it and I apply it on the skin for like 10 to 15 minutes. before I wash it off on the skin, and uses the same soap in the sponge to bath as well. It's so good that I cannot even stop using the soap, because it's a soap that I have really fallen in love with it. I have not seen this soap anywhere apart from her place. So she directed me to where exactly I can get this soap from. It's very good. It's lightening the skin, it glows the skin, it's brightening the skin, it cleans the skin, it's remove deaths on the skin, it's remove dead skin cells on the skin, it nourishes the skin, and it makes the skin so smooth. In fact, I'm a living testimony for this Latadienne. So in fact, the very first day I wanted to pronounce the name of this soap. In fact, I was stammering. So I asked her, "Hello May, how should I pronounce this soap?" She was like, "Hey Edem, Latadienne." I was like, "Hey, Radi Mewu." The name sounds so tough for me to pronounce it, but trust me, it's one of the best affordable, one of the best lightening soap, one of the best glowing soap, one of the best skin exfoliating soap you can get out there and use on your skin. But then trust me, if you want to grab some to use, everything that is good have the fake ones. Okay, so if you are buying, make sure you get the original one, and trust me, you can only get the original one from Latini. So please, if you are interested, if you want the original one, please just get in touch with us. Send us a DM, or you can WhatsApp us on 027 159 4053 to grab it and use on the skin. But if you have also used it before, you can share your testimony with that. It's good, it clears dark spots on the skin, and it's brightening the skin a lot. You can also use it on your face, but then when I apply the soap directly on my face, when I apply it directly on my face, I feel this kind of burns on my face, simply because the face is very sensitive than the body. In fact, I have a very sensitive face, so I hardly use products on my face. But you can use it on your cotton face towel, add water to it, and use it to wash your face. Clean the face very well, under eye, around your nose, wash the face very well, and trust me, you are going to love the result, you are going to love the outcome, you are going to glow. It's going to bring out your natural glow, it's going to brighten the skin for you, it's going to make the skin so smooth for you. But then don't expose your body under the sun when you are using this soap. I love using my skincare product only at night, because it works perfectly for me during the night. So I have Latadienne lightening or cleaning brightening soap in stock. If you want to use it, just grab the original one from Latini. We have it in stock. You can send us a DM on Instagram at edemcare, and you can also WhatsApp us on 027. I'm repeating the number again, 027 159 4053, to grab it and use it. Don't just buy only one. Use it like 3 to 4 times, and trust me,
oh my god,
you will not like to change this soap again. You will fall in love with this soap totally, like how I have also fallen in love in this soap. People has bought it from me, and they are loving the glow. They are really sending me reviews, testimony on this soap. So if you want to get Latadienne lightening or brightening soap, just WhatsApp me and you will get the original one from Edemcare. I really appreciate you, and please do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, so that anytime we drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from us. Please do well to like, share, and leave a comment as well. I really appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I love you. Bye bye.